Hello everyone and welcome back to RubyBlytheNoir Studio. I'm so happy you're here with me today. I made a few videos and today I decided to introduce myself to you. My name is Marina and this channel is all about my love for beautiful collectible dolls, their unique personalities, fashion and their little stories that they inspire. I know many of you love dolls as I do, and I hope this channel can become a place where we can share that passion together. Today, I have a very special doll to introduce to you, as today I'm opening an original, authentic, Suri Sustainable Blythe Doll. As a Blythe collector, opening an official release is always a special experience. I'm looking forward to discovering her personality, taking a close look at her face, hair, eye color, stock, and all of the accessories that come with her. So let's carefully open the box together and welcome this beautiful Blythe doll into the RubyBlytheNoir collection. I can't wait to share my first impression with you. Let's do it. Today, Blythe doll isn't just beautiful. She represents a thoughtful approach to doll collecting, where creativity and sustainability come together. Look at this box. Suri Sustainable. I've noticed that every Blythe dolls have their unique boxes as well. Not just the Blythe dolls unique. The box is unique as well. It's full of arts. The first time I'm opening this original authentic girl in my collection. Look at here, guys. I'm already in love with her. So excited. Let's opening her. What do you think of her? I just want to find out why authentic dolls so valuable, because I do have a couple of factory dolls, but they are different. Oh my gosh, she's so adorable, beautiful little creation. And everybody I've heard complain about the hair that original authentic Dakara dolls have, but I'm okay with this. You know what? The feeling when you're holding these dolls, unbelievably pleasant and comfortable. Let's look at her outfit as well. there is a stand. Stand is almost similar. I received with TBL doll. Suri Sustainable has a warm, cozy and adventurous look. Her long auburn hair beautifully frames her face and contrasts with her eyes. She has bright brown eyes, and let's take a look. This is blue left side eyes. Her hair beautifully contrasts with these eyes. That makes her look as if she's quietly enjoying a crisp autumn on a winter day. Here is her green eyes, and green eyes suits her perfectly. And I think all colors with soul suits Suri perfectly. And here is her orange eyes. Beautiful. She wears a deep green dress. So here is a cream cable knit hat and matching vest with some pattern. Dark blue cropped pants that you actually probably can unbutton and make them long. I would like to take a look on the hair. So that is a rooted hair, very nicely done. So much hair. Yes, it's a little bit greasy, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna give her a spa for her hair. Not for now, at least. Maybe later I will. But I would like to enjoy this doll as is. As you can see, here is a stamp. It says Blythe 2022 Hasbro. She has coral lips. Her eyeshadow is green and a little bit yellow. So I'm fully removed plastic from my doll, and what I found, legs, you can little bit move legs like this, just a little bit. You can do the same with arms, and you can move her torso as well. There is also stamp on of her back, her eyelashes like regular, and the eyes you can change so easily. It's not that hard. So eye mechanism completely different that usually you can buy with TBL dolls, factory dolls. So dress her back and see how she will be looking fully dressed. how do you like her? I think his outfit is inspired by cozy outdoor adventures and has a timeless, layered look. As you can already notice, she wears a forest green long-sleeve dress paired with dark cropped pants, creating a practical yet stylish combination. Over the dress, she has a beautiful cream cable knit sweater with a colorful pattern that adds a warm handmade feel. Her winter accessory is absolutely adorable. The cream knit hat with large fluffy pom-poms make her look ready for a chilly day outdoors. She also wears warm caramel colored boots and carries a small crossbody bag that completes her look. I really love how thoughtfully this outfit is designed. It's detailed without feeling overdone, and every piece complements the next. Suri looks like she is ready for a peaceful walk through the woods, making her one of the coziest Blythe releases I've seen. The soft knitted hat with its oversized fluffy pom-poms instantly catches the eye, giving Suri a playful winter charm. The tiny crossbody bag, a small detail that complements the story. It makes me wonder what treasures Suri might be carrying. A notebook? A pressed leaf? Maybe a little keepsake from her latest journey? It's this thoughtful detail that transform her from just a doll into true character with a life and adventures of her own. Thank you so much for spending this time with me and welcoming this beautiful doll into my little collection. I hope you enjoyed discovering her story, her details, and her personality as much as I did. If you love collectible dolls, fashion, and doll stories, I would be happy to have you join my RubyBlytheNoir Studio family. Don't forget to subscribe so we can continue this journey together. I'll see you in the next unboxing. Until then, happy doll collecting. Bye everyone!